Okay, so for the first turn of the 11 o'clock turn, the first activation went to the French, and I moved up the enter marker because it was more than 10, and I've actually selected. So what I'm gonna do is, I think the French, they will activate Löwendal's regiment, so all of these cavalry units here, along with these independent cavalry units. I'll try to push even more here if possible. I'll see what exactly we will do, and then the infantry will start to walk in here, and then most importantly, the French got the first activation, so they can now fire with all of these cannons. All of these guns that I've marked here in black will be able to fire, and some of them can even fire at the same target. So for example, this one, it's in a redoubt, so he has an arc of fire like that, whereas this one has a normal arc. Actually, no, this is also a redoubt actually. And when artillery units are firing in their fire phase, they can actually combine their fire if the unit's within minimum range. So for example, I think this one can't, but over here, for example, these two guns could both fire at this stack here and combine their firepower, because I think the minimum range for these is 3 hexes, so there might be some casualties to artillery down on this front. And then yes, of course, here we have a 4-pounder and an 8-pounder. They can also fire at one unit here, for example. So, and also here I declared some artillery attacks. So we'll see what happens with that, and I'll get back to you later.